Hi friends! Hola mis amigos, and welcome back to Playgarden Prep Online. My name is Miss Kenitra, o en español, Señorita Kenitra. And today we will be learning letter V, o en español, letra B. Words in Spanish, en español. Now, I love learning words in Spanish, so let's get started. 2 fingers and a drum roll, please, for the first word. Ta-dum, ta-dum. Volcano! Volcano. Volcano starts with the letter V. And volcano in Spanish is volcán. Volcán. Your turn. Volcán. Volcano in Spanish is volcán. Volcano in Spanish is volcán. Volcanoes erupt hot lava. Volcano in Spanish is volcán. Volcano. O en español, volcán. Next up we have 2 more fingers and a drum roll, please. Violin. Violin. Violin starts with the letter V. And violin in Spanish is violín. Violín. Your turn. Violín. Violin in Spanish is violín. Violin in Spanish is violín. Violins are musical instruments. Violin in Spanish is violín. Violin. O en español, violín. And last but certainly not least, we have 2 more fingers and a drum roll, please. Vegetable. Vegetable. Vegetable starts with the letter V. And vegetable in Spanish is verdura. Verdura. Your turn. Verdura. Vegetable in Spanish is verdura. Vegetable in Spanish is verdura. Vegetables help you grow big and strong. Vegetable in Spanish is verdura. Vegetable. Vegetable. O en español, verdura. Wow, friends, we learned 1, 2, 3, o en español, 1, 2, 3 palabras today. Should we review? I think we should. Volcano. O en español, volcán. Volcanoes erupt hot lava. Violin. O en español, violín. Violins are musical instruments. Vegetable. O en español, verdura. Vegetables help you grow big and strong. Oh, gracias. Thank you so much for learning and speaking words in English and in Spanish with me today. Adios, bye, hasta la vista, and I'll see you next time.